Are they gone for the day?
Did you bring your sheet up?
A sheet? No, I don't have a sheet. I'm here. I wanted to speak to the manager.
Did you fill this out?
No. I'm not. I don't have an assessment. I need to speak to the manager. Lauren, what's her name?
For what? Which
For the behavioral assessment.
Behavioral?
Assessment, yeah, for the behavioral assessment.
Okay.
I need to speak to the manager of that department.
Lauren?
Yeah, I think that's her name, Lauren.
Okay.
Or if not her, then the other guy. I can't remember what his name is.
Okay, what's the issue?
I need my results from my assessment that happened back in February.
Okay, hold on. Sir, what's your name?
Roger Pryor.
Roger
Pryor.
Pryor.
Yes, Pryor. Pryor. Yeah. They know who I am.
Just have a seat, someone with you.
Yeah.
Well, best of luck to them both. Have a good day. All right, see ya.
Roger?
Roger, I'm sorry, Roger?
Yeah,
Pryor?
yeah,
Pryor?
yeah.
Hi. Oh, hi. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Good. Well, how can I help you, sir?
I was here previously. I needed some information. I need my results from my assessment.
Yeah, and I know you were here before, and we told you we cannot give you the copy of the written report. That's
Now, if I'm not mistaken, that is as it pertains to HIPAA, the HIPAA laws or what have you. this info pertains to me, so I have the right to possess it.
Right, I understand that, but our
Yeah.
internal policy is that we don't give that paperwork
Policies
out.
don't trump law, man.
Right, well, I mean, we're not gonna give you that copy right now, so
Well,
I would suggest that
I
you
know-
reach out to your attorney and have them contact us.
I already told the person last time there is no attorney.
Okay,
So
I mean, that's your choice.
Absolutely. So what's the difference? Like, if I need the information, so you telling me I have to have somebody gather information that pertains to me?
We don't distribute the copy of the written report to anybody except the judge.
So, but this is my information.
I understand that. And as far as I understand, you were cleared for competency, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's just making sure I don't have it in front of me.
Yeah, but my problem is I was incarcerated due to a hiccup that was made by your staff.
I understand.
So I need the information with the date on it where the results were originally obtained, because I got arrested and I was in jail for 5 days behind this.
Can you refresh my memory, since I don't have your stuff in front of me? What judge are you with?
Sattler.
With Judge Sattler?
Yes.
Have you tried reaching out to Judge Sattler about this issue? Because I would, because again, we can give that report to a Judge Sattler.
She already has the report.
Right, so have you reached out to Judge Sattler to give an order? We can, if she gives us a court order that we can give it to you, then we can.
At this point, I already know Sattler's not going to give a court order as
I
it
mean, you're
pertains
making
to
an
this.
assumption there, Mr. Pryor.
That's not an assumption. They'd be giving
Did
me
you ask her?
They'd be giving me, put me through the ringer from the jump.
I think you should. I think it's worth a shot for you to ask her. And I understand your frustration, but I hope that you can understand that we have to follow policy and we can't break that. And I don't know what else.
That's
to tell
not
you.
what I was told the last time I was
What were
here.
you told the last time?
They
That
told-
we wouldn't give it to you.
No,
right?
no,
They said we would give it to you.
They never. Was it you here?
It wasn't me. It was my coworker Laura.
Yeah, and another manager.
Yeah, that was our director Christian.
Yes.
Here, yeah.
Yeah, so they never said they wouldn't give it to me. They said we're going to work on it because
Okay.
they had a meeting that morning about
Okay.
this issue. They said they're going to work on it and they're going to see what it is that they can give me. And
Right.
nobody ever reached back out to me.
I know that we can't give you a copy of the report, but I think what you're looking, are you looking for a copy of your competency report?
Yes.
Like, what specifically are you looking for?
I need anything as it pertains to me coming down here, giving the assessment, and me clearing competency on the date that it happened and the date it was sent. That's what I need. Like, I don't see what the big problem is with that, because, like I said, all this info pertains to me. This is my medical records.
So that you will have to go through your attorney, and they can request that information from us. And if we get a signed order, I will be happy to give that over. I would. It's not, I want you to understand, it's not that like, I'm just like, oh, screw Roger Pryor, I'm not gonna give him what he wants. I need a court order telling me what I can give you. And if I get a court order signed by the judge, then yeah, absolutely. We will turn over whatever it is ordered to us to give.
If the judge already has this info.
Well then,
So my argument is, if I was able to obtain this info through the judge, I would have already had it.
no, you have never asked for it. And the judges don't just like if I'm a judge, I don't just like say, here, have whatever you want out of this folder. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know that is like, have you had a conversation with Judge Sattler about any of this yet?
She the one that ordered it. Of course I did.
Right, but like face to face, have you said, hey, Judge Sattler, this is what happened to me. I feel wronged by the system. I need copies of X, Y, and Z. Can you please order pretrial services or yourself to give me copies of those?
We're going to see how this work out. Because
Okay.
if she tells me
Yes.
no, then the next stage is going to be crazy. And I ain't really trying to go through all this for a piece of paper with my name and my records on it. You know, because this is ridiculous. Like, I feel like I don't know what the hiccup is. Could you at least explain what the hiccup was?
What the hiccup was with you when you were incarcerated?
Yes. The reason behind it.
Right.
If I was cleared for competency.
Correct.
And my bond was revoked because it was stated, so supposedly I never came and did the competency test.
Right. and that was a mistake.
Yes.
Right.
So,
I agree with you there.
yeah. So what can you give me?
I can't give you anything today, but I can give you whatever it is that Judge Sadler orders me to give you. And, I would say this. My advice to you would be to go to an attorney at this point.
For what?
I mean, to file whatever paperwork it is that you need to file to request that you get copies of this.
I passed my competency
I know
test.
you did. I know.
I'm more than competent to file my own paperwork.
Okay.
So
I mean, that's your choice. I can't, I'm not going to say, you can absolutely be pro se. Absolutely.
Right. So what I'm saying is, if in order for me to do that,
what would you need to do? You would need to file a petition.
no, I don't need. No, I know what I need to do. What I'm saying is, I need the info that I need in order to do so.
So you would need the information as to how the warrant got issued for you. That's what the information that you're looking for.
Yes.
And that's what I would go to Judge
I
Sadler.
know how the air warrant got issued because she revoked my bond.
Right.
It was a bond violation.
Right.
So my thing is, if there was an email sent with my results from the competency before there was another email sent in error, then why would my bond be revoked?
Right. And I think that's a question that you should take up with your attorney and present that to Judge Sadler. That's like me telling you that that's the way that you should do that.
Yeah, there's just no common sense in this whole. There's no common sense in this at all.
When's your next court date?
It's super frustrating. It's on the 24th.
Of this month.
Yes.
And what is it, a trial or a pretrial?
It's a trial.
It's a trial.
Supposed to be a trial.
So who's your attorney? Public defender?
Yes.
Okay.
He already tried.
He already tried to what?
He already tried to get the info.
And what did they say?
They didn't give it to him.
Did he file paperwork or did he just ask?
I don't know what he did. He's an attorney. I would assume he took the route he was supposed to take in order to get the paperwork. He told me I was cleared as competent, but he never got any documents as to, he never got the document that was sent in error. He never got the results. He never got any of that.
Those?
I'm sure he did.
But you see, you're not 100% sure. I would ask him if he did.
I already talked. I just left his office.
Well, who is your attorney?
Andrew
Sherman. He's good.
I know he is.
He's really good, actually.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I'm pretty sure he already, because we talked about this. This happened over a month. It was about 2 months ago.
It was
when this
in
happened.
April.
Yeah, it was April 19th when I got picked up.
Okay.
Yeah, so I know. I mean, he did what he's supposed to do. I don't know why he got denied of that.
Yeah.
'Cause I came down here before I even told him about it.
Right.
So
I know.
so this is. I know.
Then if Andrew isn't successful, then perhaps you will be when you can address the judge face to face and let her know your frustrations.
What time do they leave for the day?
The judges, 4:30.
I'm going over there now.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Pryor.
Thanks.